I finally found out why other people could not airdrop from their iPads, MacBooks, or iPhones to my MacBook. By the way, this is a M1 MacBook Pro. Just bought it a couple of months ago, and it was first released, here you can see, 2020. So how did I fix it? Well, I went up to the Bluetooth module. As per Apple's instructions, they just said, you know, reset it, turn it off and on, etc., but none of that worked. Okay, so what I did instead was holding down Option and Shift and then press the Bluetooth module. You get a whole new set of options. So the answer is switch it off. That's definitely correct. And then just reset the Bluetooth module. Okay, so I clicked that, and then from here, I just went and restarted the computer. And then when I got back in, other people were miraculously able to see me and to airdrop to this computer. So that was the fix. Simple one. Just clicked on the Bluetooth module after clicking on Option and Shift key. So I hope this helps if you're having any issues with your airdrop, particularly on an M1 MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching.